Okay, a lot of the story problems that we're going to do now are going to be problems where we can write one variable in terms of the other. And a lot of times that's preferable to creating two separate variables, because for every variable you create, you have to have another equation. Sometimes maybe you'll want to make two separate variables. It just kind of depends on the situation. And sometimes you could do a problem either way. The first problem says we have a total of $12,000 invested in stock and gold coins. 3 times as much is invested in coins as stocks. How much is invested in each? Well, I don't know how much I have invested in stock, so I'll just say let X equal the amount invested in stock. Okay? And you should always define your variables. As you go through this, you look through the problem, look for important numbers and important relationships. Then you define your variables. And, my rule of thumb is if I don't know if I'll need a variable, I just define it, and if I end up not using it, that's okay. Okay, so we do need a variable to tell us how much we have in stock. I think I'm also going to need a variable to tell me how much I have in gold coins, but if I could define that using the variable I already have, that's a better thing when I can do that. So let's look at this relationship. It says 3 times as much is invested in coins as in stocks. So if I knew the amount in stocks, the amount in coins would be 3 times that. So if the amount of stocks is X, then 3 times that is the amount in coins. And we were now able to define both variables in terms of just both unknown quantities, I should say, in terms of one variable. So what else do we know about these things? Well, if I take the total amount that I invest in stocks plus the total amount that I invest in coins, I should get 12,000. And then we solve this. So 1x plus 3x, I get 4x equals 12,000. Divide by 4, I get x equals 3,000. So I have $3,000 invested in stocks. I don't know how to spell here. And then 3 times that in coins, so 3 times 3,000, or 9,000 in coins. And notice I wrote this in dollars because, well, these are dollars, and when you do story problems, you have to worry about the units.